Welcome to Mark and Linda's X-Adventures, a nomad travel blog with generation. It's Claire.
Hey guys, it's Mark and Linda, and we are at Akaka Falls.
Akaka Falls.
It's going to cost you about $13 to walk in the door.
Yes, and that's if you did not pay for parking because you parked up the street.
They do not take any sort of veterans, cards or anything like that, because this is a state park?
A state park. So yeah, if you have one of the veterans lifetime membership to national parks, it will not work at a state park. So
correct.
They're going to get their $5 a head plus tax.
Yeah, so don't expect to get any kind of free entry.
Yes.
So let's go ahead and show you what we got.
Let's have a look. The falls are actually over there. You can sort of see them, mildly hear them. So there are several falls you could see. One of them is the Akaka Falls, and the other would be the Kahuna Falls. So we're going to the Akaka Falls first, because that's the big show, right? Now it is nicely paved. But I would imagine if you had a disability or a wheelchair, type situation, this ain't happening for you. How you doing back there, Linda?
I'm fine. How are you doing up there?
I'm okay.
Mark?
You can hear below us, there is a little stream. Let's look. I don't know if we can really see much. Kind of. Maybe I can get in there. All right. Sort of a bamboo forest. You know what this reminds me of?
What?
The cloud forest in Singapore.
Yes, it does.
Yeah, very much so. Except for real.
Right. Yeah, I guess so.
Yeah. No, thank you.
You want to get that? Or...
yeah, somehow, some way. Jesus. Really, very beautiful everywhere you go here.
See if we can get a picture. You see the falls?
Right.
I don't see the falls.
Back
It's hard
there.
to see.
We got some big falls up here. No worries.
Yeah, you can't see it.
Wow, look at those flowers. Those are crazy. What in the world is that? incredible. It's almost like walking through Jurassic Park, really.
May actually be worth the money.
It is. It's worth it. I was initially a little upset that they would charge admission to a natural occurrence, but you know.
Well, but they have paved the
I guess they
road for
spent the
you.
money on the paving of this walkway.
It'd be very difficult to get here if not.
Yes.
You'd be cutting through bamboo and, you know.
Yeah. Foliage anyway, right? Now the drive from, if you're on the Kona side, the drive's about an hour and a half across the island to get here. But if you're staying on the Hilo side, it's about a 10-minute drive maybe to get to the falls. This must be it.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, okay. All right, guys, we made it. Bugs. There are bugs here, guys, so if you come out here, make sure to bring lots of bug repellent. All right, there it is. Akaka Falls. Pretty stunning. Okay, Linda. I might have a better view from here. Ah, there we go. Get down into it. I'm gonna pause it and see if I can get a better shot.
所以要扎傻傻的这么张着，然后又是半蹲着，半天拍不出来。
I think it's something like 420 feet that it falls.
they go the other way, are we gonna meet them?